Are you guys ready for this? This package is from Yes We Vibe, who I'm so excited to be working with. Okay, let's open it up. Ooh, we got a little thank you card. Oh, there's so many stickers. Look at all these stickers. This is amazing. In the back of all these stickers is a little card with the Yes We Vibe team. A little cute letter comes with it, like written to you. Look at the paper. Y'all are about to freak out. Yes We Vibe came through and got me my dream shoes. These are so cute. Oh my gosh, they literally have Marley on them. I've never had high top shoes before. And they say Yes We Vibe on the tongue, Yes We Vibe on the back. These are so cool. Oh my gosh. I am seriously so obsessed with these. So Yes We Vibe came through and got me my dream shoes, and they can do the same for you. Just go to their website. They have hundreds of shoes and boots to pick from. And now that we have these shoes out, you know what that means. We gotta get Marley out.